My house. We're going to leave you again. Uy, are you sad? Hey, are you going to be sad? Huh? Uy, naku, sad ka na? Ha? Hey! Mamaya, babalik ka na ulit sa bed? Wala ka kay kuya. Naulan pa naman, di tayo makakalabas. Uy! Oo! Nak, huwag ka magpatugtog, nak. Pin! Parinig ka! Get inside my video. Bye-bye, house. See you next time. See you after 7 years, okay? Yan po ang view sa labas ng aming bahay. Naulan ngayon. Maulan. Maulang umaga. Hindi na summer. Hindi na tag-init dito. Araw-araw na ulan. Yan po ang view sa harapan ng aming bahay. Sa harapan ng bahay ng nanay. Napakaganda. Kitang-kita ang daan. Kian, Miguel! They can hear! Medyo madumi. Nagpispis ako dyan ng isang araw, pero madumi na ulit. Diba kayo nagpispis tayo ng isang araw?
No.
Yeah. Yes, we have. We cleaned this. Magalit sa yung nanay. Teka lang. Yan po ang view from the outside. View of the outside pala from in. No. Hindi nga. Ano yan? That's an old radio. Long time ago. Tapos nasira na. I throw out the radio already. Do you know that this is an old radio? This.
That's a radio?
That's an old radio from long time ago.
That's a radio?
I'll show you. Hold the camera. Hold the phone. I'll show you. Hi. Ay, Maha. I can open this and there's... Don't show me, okay? Just like that. When I move the Papa Jesus, I show you the magic of this old radio. This is antique. Just now. Feel like I want to cook. Come here. Show you. Show it in the video. This is an old music player. And this is the music. You put it right here.
Do you want to play some music?
No, it's not working anymore. You crazy? Tita Myra and my brother and sister are still as young as you maybe when they had this. It's not working anymore, but I keep it as my collection. You know I like antique. I don't. Ikaw talaga, I hate you. That's my radio. Most of the old... Oh, they broke one. They did not tell me they lose the other one. I used to stick it there. I don't know where they put the missing one.
What is the missing one?
I don't know. Why did they...
Like these?
Why did they lost it? Bye, bathroom. I just cleaned the bathroom, huh? This is so clean.
Don't let spiders get you.
We have some shampoo from there, from here and there.
And don't let rats and poop on you and eat cheese.
Yeah. Don't let the rat get in here. Oh, malinis yan.
Close off the door. Close off the door.
Oh,
Close off
this
the
is
door.
Nanay's room. Yeah, I have some stuff. May mga gamit ako dyan. Yeah. For going home.
Ma, is this your diamond right there? These
Hmm?
boxes?
Tara na. Tara na.
Is that your boxes?
Hmm?
Is that... This is our room.
Nay, messy pa yan.
This is our room.
Our bed is still messy.
This is our room.
We haven't cleaned it.
Go in, go in.
Okay, we're gonna clean it. We're gonna make the bed while making the video.
Yeah.
Teka lang. Yun, umubo pa. Caught on camera ka. Ah!
We can see you.
Ay, alam ko na. The trick. Tadan! Malinis na. Nilinis na po ni Kin ang bedroom. Bro, did you make it?
making the floor.
The bed? No. Malinis na po ang aming bedroom.
Stop!
Anak din eh. Magbabacuum ka sa atin din ha. Ganyan din yung vacuum ko sa atin ha. Marunong ka na? Abo ko, galing. Abo! Galing mo, bro.
What's our next?
Thank you.
What's our next?
Say bye.
I'm vacuuming.
No, say bye for the video.
Bye.
Ay, hindi kita makita.
Bye!
Bye, house. Bye-bye.
No, 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 no.
See you after 7 years. Bye-bye. Doon ka. O, magbabay ka doon. Diyan. The middle of the living room. Tas sayaw ka.
Bye-bye.
Sayaw. And lapit ka. Flying kiss. Sabi mo, bye.
Bye.
One more.